Hey, this is Chris with Octopus Home Inspections. I'm in a crawl space today and came across a plumbing issue in the waste pipes. When I was doing the upper level at the kitchen drain didn't drain well, and when it finally did drain, it got to the very end, you could hear that gluck, 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 which sounded like a plumbing vent was missing. They did a remodel and put a window in and didn't put a plumbing vent. Well, now that I'm in the crawl space, this is what I've found. So this is the kitchen drain pipe here coming down into a P-trap in the crawl space. And then you'll notice the P-trap is taller on the exit side of the pipe. So what that means is if the bottom is where the water level can be, to drain out, that means this entire pipe is full of water. And so that still doesn't say that the vent is there and this is the problem. I think these are both a problem. So, and then furthermore, this looks like it's going down, it is, but then on the other side, it's going up. So there's also a lot of water getting stuck in this unsupported pipe here. It's kind of tight. Anyway, I'm not going to get around like that. And then while I was investigating that, then I also found that they cut a floor beam to put a tub drain in, which and then all the sistered items here that weren't done very well. Seems to me that same hands did all of the work. Oh, look at back there. Let's see. That is the drain for the tub. Whoop. Okay, I mean the tub, no, the washing machine. And the pipe slopes upwards to come back. There's no washing machine installed right now, so I had nothing to test, but I wouldn't have found that if I hadn't come down here. And then let me zoom out a little bit more. Look at the supports. This was a back porch in a house that was built in 1912 that got turned into, not living space. It's still unconditioned for the washing machine and water heater. And then these are the supports. Look at that. That's what's holding up the back porch. This is the wrong way to do it. All of that wood stacked on its long grain instead of on its ends. That's, if it gets wet and starts to rot, it'll just sink. So anyhow, I did a little bit of exploring while I was talking to you today also. So that's what it looks like when an inspector finds something. Okay. Well, I hope that you found this informative of what not to do. I hope I never ever see this again. I haven't seen it in the last 15 years. My first 15 years, I hope I don't see it ever again. Okay, signing off. This is Chris with Octopus Home Inspections.